We are Albertina, a group of companies which has been producing filling, capping and labeling machines and complete filling lines since 1991. Thanks to modern production technologies and an experienced team of 80 professionals, we produce well and efficiently. We have a total of 5 production divisions. The first division produces linear filling machines, capping machines, labeling machines and complete lines. These include machines for group packaging, palletizing robots and conveyors. In the second division, we produce filling and capping monoblocks, which are used for filling liquids and powder materials. There are also machines for filling and sealing tubes. Our third division focuses on producing machines for orienting and inserting bottles and caps, as well as producing dosing and transport pumps. The fourth division manufactures machines for filling of large capacity containers, barrels, and IBC containers. The fifth division is dedicated to producing parts and components by means of water jet and CNC machines. Each division has its own design department that specializes only in its particular product. Thanks to this, we achieve a high level of expertise and we can still introduce innovations for our products and parts. The Albertina Group has offices and sales representatives around the world. Our country representatives provide not only business advice but also full service. Thanks to large and well-stocked stores in Albertina, we can immediately respond to a request for spare parts. Over the 27 years of our existence, we have successfully installed over 3,000 machines and lines. Our customers include many multinational companies, for example, Henkel, Nestle, Procter & Gamble, and the Lego Group. Production is organized according to ISO 9001. Production of pharmacy and foodstuff machine complies with FDA, GMP, and EHEG. Albertina machines are used in the oil, chemical, food, pharmaceutical, and cosmetic industries. When you contact us, you can look forward to a helpful approach to designing the best solution and the opportunity of long-term cooperation.